Hello everyone, and in today's video I'll be reviewing Elite Class Team from Cars 1. Now first up we have the racer, Claude Scruggs. Now he's very cool looking. Obviously he's sponsored by Elite Class, out drip pounds, which was basically out nappies. Obviously 52. I've got that classic yellow, white, no, and black colour scheme. Then obviously black and white, and obviously black at the back. And as you are probably able to see, he's got a slogan: "Watch your wheels." And it's also the same with Krusty Rosa. You know, as you might be able to see, it says obviously on the vinyl toupee, it says "She'll never notice." Very nice. Then Claude was first of his model to be released way back in 2006. It was the same thing with Winford Bradford Rutherford here, who was also the first of his model to be released. Winford's my favourite carbon piston cut racer. And what I found out with Elite Class models that they're as you can see, you can't see their wheels. Well, from the front anyway. And which is obviously because the axles are too short. Then it's the same thing with but it's the other way around with the nitrate models. Dan Ledford. Nitrate models axles are too long. And then then the RPM model, like Winford, Davy, their axles are the perfect length. And now we move on to Earl Filter, who's the crew chief. He's a very cool looking, though kind of plain if I'm honest. Obviously, Elite Class, the headset, which obviously all the crew chiefs have. And obviously Elite Class on the side, or both of them. Then the number plate. That says 49643. I don't know, whatever that means, I don't know. And he is the same model as some other crew chiefs, including the RPM one. Now you might think he's the same as Dan Sklarkenberg, but Dan's actually a little smaller. And now we move on to Stacy's the Pitty. Now as you can see, she obviously has a Elite Class, both sides. Yeah. Then she obviously has black hat and a Elite Class logo on top. Then obviously fork, so she's she's called forklift, which is obviously in Pitties. Obviously they change their tyres. And other than that, very cool. And I noticed that Claude is the only one out of these three that actually has white, which is, well, cool. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.